Video is for educational purposes only, depicting theoretical cell damage from hypothermia. It is not medical advice.
Hello! Welcome to Smart Skeleton Channel. Here we testing human limits.
Welcome to our tropical island. Notice the unique structure of our anatomy, but heed this warning. Now, observe closely as we proceed. This beach is isolated and beautiful, but this island hides hidden dangers you must be aware of.
30 minutes.
You've just washed up on a deserted tropical island where the temperature is 95 degrees Fahrenheit in full sun. Within seconds, UV rays penetrate your skin like tiny lasers at a Pink Floyd concert, except way less fun. Your skin turns red faster than a lobster in a pot, and you're about to feel just as cooked. Your sweat glands kick into overdrive like a broken sprinkler system on your neighbor's lawn. Water evaporates from your skin like morning dew on a hot car hood. Poof, gone. Your heart starts racing like you just saw your ex at the grocery store. But this time it's the heat, not the drama. Blood vessels dilate wider than your pupils when the pizza delivery arrives. Blood rushes to your skin's surface like Black Friday shoppers to a sale. Chaotic and desperate. Your core temperature creeps up like your anxiety before a dentist appointment. Your mouth goes dry like the Sahara Desert after someone stole all the camels.
1 hour.
Your tongue sticks to the roof of your mouth like peanut butter on cheap bread. Sticky and uncomfortable. Your lips crack like old leather boots that haven't seen moisturizer since 1987. Thirst hits you harder than realizing you left your phone at home. Your blood thickens like ketchup left open in the fridge. Still moves, but not smoothly. Your kidneys work overtime like an underpaid barista during morning rush. Your urine turns dark yellow like cheap beer at a dive bar. And that's not a good sign. A headache forms like someone slowly inflating a balloon inside your skull. Your focus drops faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. Your stomach rumbles louder than your neighbor's bass at 3 a.m.
2 hours.
Sunburn sets in like that regret from yesterday's decisions, painful and impossible to ignore. Skin cells die off like flies at a bug zapper convention, crispy and permanent. Blisters bubble up on your skin like forgotten pasta boiling over on the stove. You've lost more water than a leaky faucet over a weekend getaway. Your blood pressure drops like your phone battery during an important call. Dizziness hits you like spinning in an office chair for 10 minutes straight. Your breathing gets shallow like a kiddie pool in July. Not enough depth. Your muscles go weak like overcooked spaghetti, limp and useless. Your legs wobble like a newborn deer trying to stand for the first time. You collapse onto the hot sand like a puppet whose strings just got cut.
6 hours.
Your skin continues dehydrating like a grape turning into a raisin, wrinkly and sad. Your eyes dry out like contact lenses you forgot to take out before sleeping. Vision blurs like looking through a dirty windshield in a rainstorm without wipers. Your tongue swells up like a sponge left in water overnight, fat and uncomfortable. Your brain runs low on oxygen like a laptop on 2% battery, barely functioning. Thoughts scatter like marbles dropped on a tile floor, rolling everywhere, impossible to collect. Your stomach starts eating itself like a bored kid chewing their own nails, destructive and desperate. Stomach acid burns through its lining like battery acid on a car hood. Nausea rolls in like a bad hangover after tequila shots you definitely shouldn't have taken. Your body trembles like a chihuahua in a thunderstorm, tiny, scared, and uncontrollable.
12 hours.
Night falls and temperature drops to 60 degrees. Now you're too cold after being too hot, like a broken thermostat. Your body's temperature control breaks down like an air conditioner in a heat wave, useless when you need it most. Shivers attack you like you just got out of a cold pool and forgot your towel. Your teeth chatter like a wind-up toy that won't stop clicking. Muscles cramp up like a Charlie horse during the worst possible moment. Painful and relentless. Your limbs go numb like when you sit on the toilet too long scrolling through your phone. Your heartbeat gets erratic like a drummer who lost the rhythm halfway through the song. Breathing slows down like a clockwork toy winding down. Tick, tick, tick. Your skin pales like a ghost in a horror movie, colorless and lifeless. Your lips turn blue like a kid who stayed in the pool way too long.
Day 2.
The sun rises again like an unwanted alarm clock on a day off, brutal and unforgiving. Second-degree blisters form like bubble wrap on your skin. Pop one and you'll regret it. Your body switches to starvation mode, like a phone on low-power mode, shutting down non-essential functions. Fat cells break down for energy, like a desperate student selling their textbooks for grocery money. Muscles start breaking down like old furniture left in the rain, deteriorating and weak. Your kidneys shut down like a business that ran out of money, closed for good. Toxins build up in your blood like trash piling up during a garbage strike. Consciousness fades like a light bulb dimming before it burns out completely. Breathing becomes irregular like hiccups that won't stop, gasping and desperate. And there, you lie on the sand, perfectly still. A permanent reminder that paradise islands aren't so paradise without water, food, and shade.
The journey is long, but the destination is worth the caution. Listen closely, for what I share is important.